Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so in our last sentence, we learned that Peter, he needs to get rid of the mosquitoes. Okay, he needs to get rid of the mosquitoes. So let's see what happened. What does he do? What he's going to do? Okay. Yeah, he calls his friends team. Yeah, maybe he called for helping from team. Okay, so now we know the sentence. He calls his friends. Okay, he calls his friends. Okay, he calls his friends. Tina. Okay, Tina is like this, sexy like this. Okay, so he calls his friends Tina. Okay, he calls his friends Tina. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. He calls his friends Tina. Okay, he calls his friends Tina. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, he calls his friends Tina.
Ooh.
Alright, so who calls his friends Tina?
Peter.
Peter calls his friends Tina. So who does Peter call?
Tina.
Tina, right? He calls his friends Tina. So why does Peter call his friend Tina?
Because the mosquito constantly bites him.
He asked Tina for helping. Right? He asked Tina for helping. So there's Tony called his girlfriends. No, not his girlfriend. Tina is not Peter. Sorry, Peter is not. Tina is not Peter's girlfriend. He called his friends Tina. Tina is all his friends, right? So then he called his friends Amy.
No,
not Amy. This called his friend Bob.
No,
not Bob. So who does Peter call? His
Tina.
friends Tina, right? So why does Peter call his friends Tina? Yeah, he asked Tina for helping.
Happy.
So what is Tina's problem? Sorry, what is Peter's problem? Does Peter call his friend Tina for helping? Right? So what is Peter's problem? What is his problem? Yeah, his problem is the mosquitoes. Okay, the mosquitoes bite him every day. The mosquitoes bite him every day. They bite and they bite and they bite. And the queen of the mosquitoes says, "We'll bite you to the last drop of your blood." So Peter is very upset, right? Also very angry. So he wants to get rid of the mosquitoes. So that's why he calls his friends Tina. He calls his friends Tina. Peter calls his friend Tina. So who bites Peter every day? Yeah, the mosquito. The mosquito bites him every day. The mosquito bites him every day. So this mosquito bites the dog every day? No, the dog. So where does the mosquitoes live? Where does the mosquitoes live? Where does they live? Yeah, they live in Peter's house. They live in Peter's house. So what does the mosquitoes do every day? What does the mosquitoes do every day? Yeah, they bite him every day. Actually, every night. During the day, they sleep. But during the night, they bite him. They bite him every night. Who bites Peter every night? The mosquitoes. The mosquitoes bite him every night. They bite him every night. So what do the mosquitoes bite every night? Yeah, they bite Peter. They bite Peter. They bite him. So what happens when the mosquitoes bite Peter every night? What happened? Yeah, we can't sleep. Upset. The angry is can't sleep. So what does Peter want to do with the mosquitoes? Yeah, we don't know that. Actually, he wants to get rid. He needs to get rid of the mosquitoes. So he calls his friend. Who does Peter call? Tina. Right? He calls his friends Tina. So he calls his friend Tina for helping. Okay. So and let's see in our next sentence. What does Peter want Tina for helping? Right? Okay. Goodbye.